What did I catch her doing? What are you doing?
You're not minding your business. That's what you're not doing.
What is that stuff?
It's my stripper lip gloss.
Truckers ain't supposed to wear that kind of stuff. It's supposed to be like grease.
Yes.
Axle grease. Oh,
You
God.
want a kiss on axle grease?
Well, you got a point there. What you getting? Java.
Go
Yeah. Go juice. Good for you. Good morning, everybody.
It's right out there.
You don't know it, but it's been, what, over 2 weeks since I've made a video. Maybe 3.
It's been entirely too long.
It has, and it's been a very eventful time.
He's been making excuses that his phone was broke.
My-
It's not.
Yeah, well, that was my phone was broke for 2 weeks almost. And I was in the desert. It was 114, and it said that it was drowning. I don't understand that.
There was moisture in the charger or something.
Yeah. So I couldn't do anything because, you know, like, I got these 3 phones that I use to make videos with. And this phone that we are now using is like the One Ring, right? It brings them all together in the darkness and binds them. My precious. My precious. But we got it fixed. All I had to do was restart it, apparently.
He's so hard.
Go figure that, right? But I couldn't do nothing. But we took off for 2 weeks and a half, maybe.
We went home.
Yeah. Then we came out and we ran hard for a week. We wouldn't have been able to make videos that week anyway because we was like banging it
It was
out.
running good that week.
Oh, it was spectacular.
Drop off, pickup. Drop off, pickup. It was nice.
Then the air conditioner broke down, so we was
Again?
in the shop for 4 days.
But they know why it broke this time.
Yeah, that's right. It wasn't the truck's fault. There was a piece of metal between the condenser and the radiator, and I had to wait for the condenser to come in.
And it poked a hole in the condenser.
Yes, it poked a hole in the condenser. You keep bumping me with your boob.
Look, there's a truck that sounds like coming.
She was doing that because she was walking out of step. You know, left, right, yes,
he is
yes.
not being a gentleman today. Normally, he's on the side of the road. But today, with his loud, noisy trucks, he has me walking. I saw her just a minute ago.
It's a
by the
TA
truck.
parking lot.
Exactly. They go 60 up in here. We all know this.
Oh my God. You see how she is starting out? Oh, that's because she's ravenous, she said. Ravenous.
I've not had any fat coffee.
Well, let's get her some fat coffee and then we'll get back with you guys. Y'all see that hoe in my shirt?
I mean, oh.
I gotta have my shirt sent to me from the guy.
You gonna tell him how you got that hole?
I was riding around on my motorcycle and I slung my shirt over the seat. I didn't realize I was on fire. But,
Literally on fire.
but I was on fire. It was my shirt. Oh well. Guys,
Just getting ready to put food in my mouth.
it's been 2 weeks. We haven't made any videos.
We've been home.
Yeah.
The ever elusive home time.
That's right. But since our celebration to come back, hello everyone. I'm gonna break keto today. Look at that. Oh hell yes, I'm breaking keto. I bet she strips her tomatoes.
I have fried green tomatoes and I'm going to take the outsides off. Mm-hmm. They're going to be lovely.
We'll get back with you guys in a little bit and tell you about
Yesterday he had gizzards with breading on them anyway, and he got a fight with the woman there, so.
Yeah, but I've lost like 14 pounds. I'm okay. I'll get back with y'all in a little while. Hello guys, how you doing? We're over here near to Oklahoma City. My load going to Frisco is this little baby CF34. That's all I've got on. It pays truckload, which is a wonderful thing. And what's even better is I've got all this space yet. So the chances that I can put something else on, and it may not happen, and just double my money, it's pretty good. I love doing that. It's like fun. It's like getting a free pizza or something, right? You know what I mean. It just seems right. Woo! The weather is perfect over here. I would love to take that bike off of here and go for a ride. And I got plenty of time to do it. But all my motorcycle vlogging equipment, you know, my GoPro mount for my helmet and all that kind of stuff, sitting in my P.O. box in Ohio. So, no motorcycle vlogging yet, but it's coming. Let's take the dogs out for a walk. You guys hear that? That is one super song. I just love me some Percy Sledge. Good old days of R&B are over. You know what I'm saying? But the dogs don't care. They will happily sing with me any song that I'm singing. Yep. I'm moving the dog vlogs to another channel. And I'll make another video about that. But I just thought I'd tell you, if you're listening, some people don't like the dogs. Maybe they're cat people. I don't know. I like cats fine too. But I'm moving them somewhere else. And so, I'll put a link in the description for that, all right? If you like the dog vlogs, that's where they're going to be going. Although they still will insert their personality into this trucking genre because they're part of the truck. Part of my truck, part of my life. They're my pack. Look at there, guys. I woke up, well, the girl just sort of woke up.
The road woke the girl up. I bounced, like, I hit my head off and my everything else off the top bump. Where the bounce went, boom, 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 boom.
Damn thing was loud, wasn't it? That's what I said, the damn thing was loud. Whew. But anyway, she's hungry. I'm hungry. So we're gonna eat. Y'all hungry? Y'all wanna come too? I'd feed them too, wouldn't I?
Yes, he would.
My mama taught me to feed everybody, you know, it's one of those southern
Pea soup
things.
is his favorite.
Feed everybody. I like some pea soup.
We can't have pea soup now.
I know. Let's
So
go.
now it's steaks.
Let's go in.
Oh, okay. It
So
says
fun.
on there recording through headset. Did you see this?
Look, it just
thing?
started recording again.
Did you see the
y'all
thing
see
pop
how
up
she be
though?
fucking shit up, guys?
You
Fucking shit
asshole.
up. Yeah. Ow! Calm down. All right. We forgot to tell you guys about the dog's vet visit, right? Now, the dogs are going to do a vlog on their vet visit, but it's going to be on the dog channel. But I'm going to go ahead and let you good people know that love the dogs what happened at the vet.
Very traumatic.
Bob Barker, a.k.a.
Walter.
has not got a chip. So we're stuck with Bob, Walter, Roscoe. What the hell ever. Grace, who I thought had a heart condition because some of her
She gets hot really, really easy and pants and coughs every now and then.
she's just 3 years old and menopausal apparently. I don't know. Her heart's fine. Little dog does have a murmur, but he don't need no medication. They pulled out all of his teeth when he was in there except for 4. He's got 2 in the back and he's got 2 right here.
Those 2 up here meet.
He's a little bit sensitive about this issue.
Don't be making fun of him if you see
Right.
him.
Just because his tongue hangs out now when he's sleeping.
Oh, he's got old man mouth. You know how people that don't have teeth, like their lips start wrinkling
He's
in?
only 11. He
He's
can
got
live
old
another
man
11 or
mouth.
10, another 10 or 12 years. He's gonna hammer down. He'll be all right. But I thought we should tell you what happened to the dogs. They have something to say about that in their next release. It'll be next week before that channel is, you know, hitting the road. But they got something to say. Poor little dog. I had to slip him a Mickey. I roofied the dog.
And then pulled his teeth.
Hey, I didn't get to do it, but you know, I didn't want to either. They was bad
It
though.
worries him.
I was scared to death. I was very scared. But he's alive. It's all good. But we're gonna.
His toys don't stink anymore after you chews on them.
His breath's so much better. If your breath smells really bad, we might need to pull your teeth though. You know, just saying, right? It could
Fixed his problem.
happen to anyone, I guess.